Oh, I want to talk to you. The last time we talked, Mr. Smith, you reduced me to tears. I promised you it won't happen again. I tried to do a repulse you with my queasy smile. Am I dirty? Am I too lady to like what you like? I could be wholesome, I could be lonesome, I could be a little bit shiny. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Without making me try. I told you be like Grace Kelly. All the lights are too silent. So I tried a little Friday. I'm gonna do it anyway. I can be brown, I can be blue, I can be pale, let's stay. I can be apple, I can be purple, I can be anything you like. I can be clean, gotta be mean, gotta be alright. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? What kind of talk? How can I help it? How can I help it? How can I help what you think? Hello my baby, putting my life on the brink. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Why don't you like yourself? Should I be so cold just to be proud and shine? Yeah, but all the rest of Jesus. So I tried a little Friday. I gotta dance it in I can be brown, I can be blue. Cause let's say I can be red, I can be purple, I can be anything you like. I can be green, gotta be mean, gotta be yellow. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? Walk out the door. Say what you want and satisfy yourself. Let you hold it, whatever you say you should want. You want. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be black, I could be heaven, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I gotta be green, gotta be mean, gotta be everything. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? I could be bad, I could be blue, I could be bad, I could be helpful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be green, gotta be mean, gotta be everything. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me? I'm gonna do, yeah. Wow, I'm free, we're leaving. Ka-ching! I don't know, may nabubulol ako. Kabisado ko yung kanta, pero kapag I don't catch myself like opening the mouth. Yung sound pumapasok dito. I wish I have to pumasok dito sa parang mabibingay ko. It's kinda Rocky, no? Parang the Rocky Horror Show something Chorba. Let me try that one. Mahal lang yung theater eh. Parang nasa thousands eh. Unless may public theater na dumating dito sa malapit na parang mga street theater. Parang wala na sila ngayon. Nag-move on na yan. Nag-move on na yung mga performers. Anyway. Yeah, by the way, that's the thing that I want to do. But I don't know. Kakaiba kasi. Naunahan tayo ni Kubiloy. Naunahan tayo ng lahat ng Chorba. So, kaka-boring. Huwag na lang din. Tapos pag na-media kayo, isa lang kayo. So, wag na lang. I'd rather work than to contribute to the national, social, whatever. Which is helpless. Again, helpless. Because nobody wants to change this country. They all want the status quo because people are benefiting from it. So let it stay that way. Let me move on. Let people like me move on and have a life for themselves. Thank you.